I'd like to introduce you to a very sustainability-focused business in Hiroshima Airport called FU. FU is a vegan chocolate factory that has all women staff, and the manager told us that the staff support each other and are very good at communication. So they really empower women, I think, at this factory, and it's a really nice business model. It's a very transparent company. You can walk around the whole factory and see the whole process for yourself. They use biodegradable containers and utensils. They have a whole range of vegan desserts available. All of their chocolate is vegan, so no animal products is used. They also do direct trade for the cacao beans and the cashew nuts in some of the chocolate. They all wear these indigo-robe uniforms, and all female staff. So very stylish, very comfortable, using traditional Japanese technique of dyeing with indigo, which is very healthy, good for the person who's wearing it. And it also has antibacterial qualities, so it makes it cleaner for the factory. Try to hire female designers for their packaging. So they're really thinking about sustainability, not only to support their workers, who are all female and have more support of each other and very good at communication. So I hope you enjoy the video.
カカオビーンズは直接取引をしている農園さんと一緒に農園さんを訪ねていって探してきたカカオ豆を、ホワイトチョコレートの方がタンザニアの農園なんですけど、アフリカですね。でこちらの2種類のチョコレートが、ガテマラです。この上から入れるんですか？上からです。はい。でこう押すと豆がザーッと出てくる。はい。ストッパーが外れてザーッと中に下に豆が落ちて、ここがちょっと豆がローストした豆を入れていきまして、下にグラインダーがあります。砕いていってクラッシュして風の力で吸い上げて殻と実にセパレートしている。石の円盤が4枚、縦にこう丸い円盤が4枚入ってまして、でこのドラムは横回転します。で円盤は縦に回る。
ここで私がもともとUSHIOチョコラトルっていう尾道の向島にあってカカオと砂糖だけで作ってるチョコレート屋があるんですけど、そこはもう今年で5年目を迎えるんですけど、そこでちょっと働いてた時にそのダイレクトトレードのカカオ豆を生産者の人と直接メールとかでやり取り、私がちょっと英語ができたので。